Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi guys, Miss Rowan is here once again, and I'm here to help you out to form some sentences using these words, okay? It's been a while since we have made some sentences, right? So now it's time for you to grab a piece of paper and your pencil and write down the sentences that you can actually make using these words that will appear on your screen, okay? Now, you can always pause the video if you need help or if you need some time to create or to construct those sentences. Are you ready? Yes, I can't wait. Let's begin. Alright, unscramble these words and make a sentence. Look at this girl. Guys, the sentence always begins with a capital letter, so you will see a word that is written in a capital letter. And of course, the sentence always ends with a punctuation mark. So if you see a word that has a period or a question mark or an exclamation mark, that means that's going to be at the end of the sentence. Okay? The girl has a green kite. Good job. The girl has a green kite. Perfect. What's next? Who's this in the picture? The man has no, what's the last word? Time. Perfect. The man has no time. Excellent. Look at the picture. This is also where your reading a picture comes in, okay? The vine is, yes, on the wall. Good job. The vine is on the wall. Next. Next sentence, please. Alright, how about this pine tree? I will give you a few minutes to think, okay? I can see a word that is written in a capital letter. It's in a red box. Yes. There. What's next? There is a pine tree. Good job. Let's reveal the answer. There is a pine tree. Next. Take your time, guys. You can always pause the video and work on your own, okay? I can see the word that is written in a capital letter, the. And of course, I know the last word, right? That ends with a period or a full stop. Hive. The children can see the hive. Good job. Okay, there you go. Next, unscramble these words again and make your own sentence. I will give you time to think. Capital letter, the beginning. Yes, Kate can dive in the sea. Wow, you're making progress. Good job. Kate can dive in the sea. Next. Yes, the children, good job, are playing, carry on, are playing hide and seek. Wow. Excellent job, guys. Alright. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much for constructing sentences with me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and then keep practicing, guys. Write in a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and end with a full stop or a question mark if it is a question. And if you want to give some emotions, you can put an exclamation mark. Okay? Now, there you go. Send me some videos and pictures as you write some sentences, please. I can't wait to see them. And I miss you so much. Mwah. And for those who have just watched my video, don't forget to click on subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Bye. Mwah.